Lake.
Good evening and happy Sunday. We're seeing these beautiful sunny skies right now. Temperatures really mild all throughout the region. Take a look at these current temperatures, 40s and 50s for those east side areas, 48 degrees right now in Chemult. Warmer here in Medford, 54 degrees. It's going to be a perfect day to go ahead and head outside, and you can even wear a short sleeve t-shirt if you want, especially along the coast. Those temperatures, 58 degrees right now in Brookings. You'll want to avoid the beach though for the remainder of the day today, because we do still have this beach hazard statement in effect until 8 p.m. so we could be seeing some moderate to high risk of sneaker waves, so you'll never ever want to turn your back towards the ocean. For the night though, these temperatures will be cooling off pretty significantly. Clouds will begin to increase in front of this cold front that we're expecting to see moving through later tonight into tomorrow morning. Temperatures will be in the 20s for those east side areas. For those areas west of the Cascades, 20s and 30s expected, 35 here in Medford, and a little bit warmer along the coast in Brookings, down to 41. We could be seeing some wet weather working in later tonight for the coast, but staying dry inland. But for the day tomorrow, expect to see some widespread showers, especially through the evening hours and overnight. Temperatures will be cooler than average because we have this big pocket of Arctic air that will move over the region, and we're expecting to see some wet weather along with this. The second cold front will move through towards these evening hours for the day tomorrow, and that's when we're going to be seeing some very gusty winds and the potential for some rain and snow later on in the evening. Temperatures won't be too bad into the 30s and 40s for those east side areas, getting up to 46 degrees here in Medford and seeing some cloud cover as well. This is going to be a high impact day Monday all the way through Valentine's Day, and with this Arctic air mass and these multiple cold fronts, we're expecting to see those snow levels plummeting down to around 500 feet, so we could be seeing some chances for some Rogue Valley snow later on through the day on Monday, and then also overnight into those early morning hours on Tuesday. Expect to see some travel impacts and some gustier winds as well with this front moving through. So now let's take a look at Stormcast. You can see right around lunchtime tomorrow, we're going to be seeing some widespread snow, mainly in those higher elevation areas, maybe some spotty showers for these lower elevation areas, but take a look at this. 7:30 around dinner time on Monday, that's when those snow levels continue to lower. We could start to see some chances for some Rogue Valley snow. As of right now, it's looking to be mostly rain, but Tuesday is going to be the day that we're expecting lots of widespread snow. It's going to be a white and wintry wonderland for your Valentine's Day. But don't worry, because the later half of the day will start to dry out just a little bit, maybe seeing some spotty showers, but then clear skies and warmer temperatures as we head on into Wednesday. So now let's look at how much snowfall we could be seeing here through Tuesday evening. It's going to be trace amounts for those east side areas, not an impactful for those areas, but very impactful for higher terrain, upwards of a foot for Crater Lake, and then possibility for 1 to 2 inches here in Medford. For your Valentine's Day forecast though, going to be seeing temperatures into the 40s, possibility for that Rogue Valley snow like I mentioned, but poor travel conditions for Valentine's Day, so keep that in mind as you're heading out the door. And then Wednesday, we could be seeing some black ice because we'll have some cooler overnight lows as well. 7-day forecast for the coast, temperatures in the 40s and 50s for the work week, mainly keeping an eye on Monday and Tuesday. Northern California, take a look at those overnight lows, especially into Wednesday. That's when these roads are expected to ice over. Here in the Klamath Basin, temperatures in the 30s and 40s for the work week, cooler overnight lows as well. Same thing for the mountains, but keep an eye on those road conditions, especially Monday into Tuesday. And then here in the Rogue Valley, temperatures below average for these next few days, but rebounding as we head on into next week.